My lord, rejected my 3 applications for additional evidence, my lord. I have filed my MC for the divorce, my lord, in
When-
year
Which year
2020,
did the MC?
2023, my lord.
23.
Yes, after full accepting the full and final settlement, I am paying 34,000 rupees as a maintenance per month, my lord, from 2014 till date, my lord. I have made a house in her favor as a full and final settlement.
You filed the MC on the ground of
Cruelty and desertion, my lord. They both are residing separately from 13 years, my lord.
court
This is
cannot say at this belated stage,
Please, ma'am.
matter of a month, or even if this is allowed, what is the prejudice to you?
that case was filed by the wife, my lord, not me, my lord. She has filed 6 years, my lord. She has proceeded in the matter. After harming my reputation, after calling upon all HOD, my lord, she withdraws.
What is the procedure for leading the evidence?
She had given a letter to my HOD, my lord. He has conducted all the proceeding, and I was given an innocent chit was given, my lord.
Wife had given complaints to the higher officers, seeking 50% of the pension and retirement benefits.
That time relationship was good, my lord. I have purchased in the name of my wife, my lord. The consideration goes from my pocket, my lord, from the husband's pocket, my lord.
Yes.
Husband's petition, my lord. Trial court, my lord, rejected my 3 applications for additional evidence, my lord. I have filed my MC for the divorce, my lord, in
When-
year
Which year
2020,
did the MC?
2023, my lord.
23.
Yes, my lord.
What are the years?
One is for additional evidence. Another 2 IAs are for recall and reopen, my lord. IA number 7 was for additional evidence. IA number 8 and 9 were for recall and reopen, my lord.
Now, you're the
Petitioner in the trial court, my lord, husband.
husband.
Please,
When was this evidence is closed?
my lord, I cross-examined the RW1 on 29/11/2023, my lord. I filed my application in the month of January, my lord. In the month of December, I cross-examined the RW2, my lord. The
No, please come to the IA.
reasons being, my lord, this MC, before I filed my MC petition, my lord, there were 2 proceedings which were initiated by the wife, my lord. In fact, in the domestic violence, my lord, she has accepted the entire full and final settlement, my lord, in the year 2014. She makes an allegation, weird allegation of adultery against the petitioner husband, my lord. He was working as a professor in the technical polytechnic. Then the disciplinary proceedings were initiated.
Yes.
He was declared innocent, my lord.
Hmm.
Then she released a press release, a newspaper, she makes a statement.
Hmm.
Now, after full accepting the full and final settlement, I'm paying 34,000 rupees as a maintenance per month, my lord, from 2014 till date, my lord. Then, my lord, I have in the full and final settlement, I have made a house in her favor as a full and final settlement. Then, my lord, only to degrade me, to make harm my reputation, my lord, she files another MC, my lord. This MC details, my lord, the petitioner husband, my lord, had not intimated the counsel representing the petitioner.
You filed the MC on the ground of
Cruelty and desertion, my lord. They both are residing separately from 13 years, my lord. This is an admitted fact in the cross-examination, my lord. Now, the second petition, what she had filed, my lord, this was not disclosed by the petitioner, my lord, in his own pleading, my lord. This came to know after the cross-examination, my lord. The moment we came to know, my lord, we filed an application to produce the copies of the proceedings which the respondent has filed the petition, my lord.
Not, sir. Firstly,
No, it is not at such a belated stage.
please.
The MC is itself of the year 2023. Your evidence is completed on 29/11. This application is filed in the month of Jan. So court cannot say at this belated stage,
Please, my lord.
matter of a month, or even if this is allowed, what is the prejudice to you?
My lords, the documents which they are proposed to be produced before the trial court, my lords, are out of 6 documents, 4 documents are Xerox copies of the.
So that would come.
Yes.
That you can, then you can say that whether that's subject to your objection, it will be marked, it can be marked or not marked, that you can agitate.
Please.
Please, my lord. Further,
Yes.
my lords, one more contention is that regarding the contents of the documents or in relation to those documents, my lord, there is no averments in the pleading nor in the evidence in chief by the
In the
petitioner.
cross-examination,
Now at a belated stage, my lords.
So there
only
is
to-
no factual this thing
Yes.
for this.
my lord, the second petition, the documents what I'm relying, my lord, this was not at all disclosed
No.
by me
Now
petitioner
to-
husband
now to
itself.
cover up
Unless
the-
and until there is any foundation for that.
The pleading, my lord.
How
Now,
can you say
my lord,
something like
now
that out of the
this
blue? You can-
admitted fact is, my lord, that case was filed by the wife, my lord, not me, my lord. She has filed 6 years, my lord. She has proceeded in the matter. After harming my reputation, after calling upon all HOD, my lord, she withdraws.
What is the procedure for leading the evidence?
My lord,
Something, there was a reference somewhere.
My
And
lord-
such a thing is not, then you can have it. No,
No.
out of the blue, you just want to mark this.
no, my lord, these documents, my lord, are the court proceedings, my lord, not something
Why you
totally.
not filed at the earliest point of
My
time?
lord,
It
the
is not that-
husband,
Or
has,
much prior to that.
Yes.
my lord, the husband, my lord, both the case numbers are almost relevant, my lord. One MC 151 of 2014. ಅವರು ಅದೇ number ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. The other number, the second petition, what they have filed is also similar, my lord. 156 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
What are
This
those documents, let us see.
page number 37, my lord, IA number. The sale deed, my lord, what I have,
Original letter dated.
this is the proceeding, my lord.
People of Karnataka
Please, my
Government
lord.
Polytechnic. Why it is relevant?
My lord, she had given a letter, my HOD, my lord, he has conducted all the proceeding and I was given an innocent chit was given, my lord. Now enter this,
Copy of petition of domestic violence
my lord,
filed by respondent.
please, my lord.
Any of this, there cannot, there any problem for you with
Yes,
this?
yes.
Copy of the entire order sheet in MC,
this
that
here.
is also. Copy of memo dated filed and so and so, certified copy of, what is the sale
This
deed?
sale deed, my lord, I have executed in my wife's favor, my lord. Now that is also, she is denying
Let
for
us see
that.
at your petition. For your MC petition.
Please, my lord. About the sale deed, I have not, in the cross-examination, I have cross-examined, my lord. In the MC petition, my lord, about settlement, I have made stated, my lord. Petition,
Agreed thereby, the husband, the petitioner, the petitioner husband is before this court. The parties are referred to as husband and wife for the sake of convenience. The petitioner husband has filed MC number 51 of 2023, seeking divorce on the ground of cruelty and desertion. In that, for cross-examination, on the side of the husband has cross-examined the wife on 29/11/2023. And in the month of January, the present applications came to be filed. It is his case that the wife had given complaints to the higher officers, seeking 50% of the pension and retirement benefits. And she has completely denied about the filing of MC number 151 of 2016, which she has withdrawn by filing a memo. Further, he has executed a gift deed in favor of his wife. It's a gift deed or a sale deed?
gift deed I have executed, the sale deed also I have executed, my lord.
He has executed a gift deed and a sale deed in favor of his wife.
Lord's petitioner is not a party in this sale deed. The sale deed which they are
that
producing,
time,
in that the
relationship was
petitioner is
good,
not
my
a
lord.
party.
At that time, relationship was good, my lord. I have purchased in the name of my wife, my lord. The consideration goes from my pocket, my lord, from the husband's pocket, my lord. To demonstrate that, I have cross-examined, my lord.
He purchased survey number 71 in the name of his wife by the registered sale deed dated 1/2/2012. And he wanted to produce the RTC. The same was opposed by the respondent wife as a frivolous, vexatious applications. And at a belated stage, he cannot be permitted to produce the said documents. The court had dismissed the application, observing that all these documents are in his possession much prior to filing of the MC. It is necessary to keep in mind that amendment to the CPC in the year 2001. After the amendment, the parties are not entitled to produce the documents at any stage of the proceedings as per their whims and fancies. The court has a discretionary power to permit the parties to produce a document. If the same are relevant for effective adjudication of the case. And the court observed that the proposed documents are not relevant for deciding the matter on merits. And further, there is no proper explanation why these documents are not filed and accordingly dismiss the petition. That counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he is seeking the divorce on the ground of cruelty and desertion. These documents, the documents which he want to produce as additional evidence. Where are they?
37, my lord, page number 37.
They are the original letter dated 27/9/2018, which was addressed by the wife. And the copy of the domestic violence petition filed by her, copy of the order sheet in the domestic violence case, and a memo dated 2/6/2022 filed by the wife in MC number 151 of 2016, and a certified copy of the sale deed dated 1/2/2012, and the RTC copy. He submits that all these documents are relevant to prove the cruelty of the wife. And the court below, without considering the importance of those documents, had dismissed the petition. He submits that the suit, the MCs of the year 2023, it cannot be said to be at a belated stage. The application is filed. Land counsel appearing for the respondent submits that now after the cross-examination of DW1 of the respondent, the petitioner cannot come up with such an application, and the court had rightly dismissed the petition as it has been filed at a belated stage. He submits that even some of the documents are not are not admissible in evidence. The court had rightly dismissed the petition. This court has perused having heard the counsels on either side, perused the material on record. The application, the MC itself is filed in the year 2023. In the month of November, the cross-examination of the respondent was completed. Immediately in the month of Jan, this application is filed. As rightly observed by the court, after the amendment, the parties at their whims and fancies, they cannot file a petition over with the leave of the court. No, as far as the belated stage is concerned, considering that the litigation is of the year 2023, though the cross-examination of the respondent is complete, when the documents, when some of the documents are of a litigation between the parties, and when they are parties, just on the ground that it is at a belated on the ground that it was not filed along with that those documents are not filed at an earlier stage, that itself cannot be a ground for the court to dismiss the application. Then counsel submits that some of the documents are certified copies.
Xerox
You
copies.
say Xerox copies. He
Photocopies.
submits that some of the documents are Xerox copies. That aspect of it is always open, whether always open for the court to decide. Hence,
My lords, one more submission may be noted, my lords, sir. All those documents, my lord, prior to the filing of the petition. my
no,
lord,
that
and
I
they are in-
recorded all.
Please, and they were
The,
in possession of the petition.
in that, the courts while considering the applications, have to look at the substantial justice. And considering that this court is inclined to allow this writ petition by and the order is set aside. And if any of the grounds with regard to the admissibility of the documents can be raised by the respondent defendant. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.